I'm Jalyka. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back, welcome home. I've actually been getting quite a few requests on how to do my low puff, low pony with the little fake thingy. It's fairly easy, so I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. Okay, so to start it off, I start with my hair. I actually blow dried my hair honestly maybe like a week ago. Every night I braid it and I put leave-in conditioner and oil in it just so that it's moisturized. But I'm starting out basically on hair that's like braid out. It's like a really old blowout and it's unbraided hair, right? You can do this on any type of hair. It's just easier to pull it back when your hair is blow dried. And I usually do this when I'm like nearing my next wash day. I'll probably do this hairstyle and it'll last me like 2 or 3 days. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to do this. I have type 4 hair, 4A, like 4B. I got like 3C curls in the very back. It's just a melting pot. It's the whole thing. I don't know if I have low porosity or high porosity. Like sometimes it's really quick to dry my hair, sometimes it takes all night. So if my hair was skin, I would say it's combination skin because it's just all over the place, really. So it's quite a few products that I use to do this look. It's 4 or 5 different products, and I use, well, what you're gonna need is a big teeth comb. I'm sorry, a wide toothed comb. It doesn't matter really what it looks like, just one that is preferred for your hair. I really love this one. I really love this one. It just works really well with my hair. It has like a little curve, as you can see. You're gonna need a Denman brush. You're gonna need a hard brush, a tail comb, 2-part, like if you're gonna be doing the middle part or a side part. I think I'm gonna be doing no part. You're gonna need leave-in conditioner. This is the leave-in conditioner that I use, moisture intensive leave-in conditioner. And gel. This gel is to die for. This gel is delicious, delectable, buttery. This gel is the Gold Buttery Gel by The Main Choice. I think my favorite thing about this gel is, first of all, the consistency, but the fact that it's black. It's black, and so even if I was to do like maybe like a wash and go at this, there's no white flakes showing up in your hair. It doesn't, the flakes don't turn white. It will still flake like after like 2-3 days, but it's black flakes. So you'll never like see like white flakes showing up in your hair because of this gel. So I really like that. I have Gorilla Snot. This one is pretty optional. It just makes the style last a little bit longer. For my edges, I use She's Bomb Edge Control and Got To Be Glue. Then you just have a spray bottle with water in it. It doesn't matter what spray bottle, but this is from As I Am. It's the Restore and Repair Jamaican Black Castor Oil Water. You're also gonna need ponytail holders, okay? I have the thick ones. You're gonna need 3 of those. 3 ponytail holders. It doesn't matter if it's a thick one, and you know, you're just gonna need 3 holders that will hold your hair. I do recommend the skinnier one, like for the very last hold that I'll show you. Then you're going to need your puff. I got this puff from the beauty supply store. They last a really long time and they're easy to use. When you get your puff, you kind of just want to like fluff it out like that. The newborn free drawstring ponytail. I think this is in the style Effie, and the color that I got is 2, so that it would match my hair better. It's still blacker than my hair, but it's really close. When you get your puff, the curls aren't gonna be like out like this. This is after I've kind of taken my wide tooth comb and just go like that, like so, like that. All right, so first thing you're gonna do is kind of like comb out your hair. Honestly, the back part isn't very necessary for you to comb out because it's gonna go into a low bun. The next thing is that you're gonna need a spray bottle. So Honestly, I would suggest putting your hair in half and a half. That's how I do it, right? You're gonna start spraying your hair with the water. Just comb it back like that. And then you take your Denman brush and just brush it back on the one side, okay? And then I'm gonna just take one of my scrunchies and pull it back like that into a bun on this side.
Damn, Jacob, this shit crap.
So now that I've done that, can you guys tell that I messed up my eyebrow? Whoops! You gotta take your leave-in conditioner. I'm just gonna go just like that. Brush it with the Denman brush. You're gonna take your gel now. I'm gonna just take a good amount. Then you're gonna take out the ponytails that you put in place. I'm just erasing the part. I want it like this. Well, this is the part where you part your hair. Like I'm doing like two-side part type thing. And then I'm just brushing it in. You should be touching your scalp with the Denman brush, okay? The Denman brush should be touching your scalp, especially if you want it sleek. And so when it's like as sleek as you can really get it with the Denman brush, you're just gonna take one of the ponytail holders and just pull it back into the bun. Okay? Boom. Boom. See, it's back into a bun. Now I'm gonna take some more of the gel with some Gorilla Snot. Okay. This is really gonna lay it down. This is where you're gonna kind of like start to like map out your edges, okay? I don't have baby hairs. I have teenagers and grown-ups. Can I just pull those out? So when my edges are pulled out and that little cute little thingy down here, like this little sideburn, my sideburns are pulled out. Then I take the brush, just making sure that it's all really sleek and good. I completely forgot in the beginning that you need an edge brush, but you need your edge brush. I know I look completely insane right now, but I take my She's Bomb edge control and just kind of move my edges with it where they're gonna be placed. I put a pretty good amount. Some on the side, here and here and here. Just like that. I only use the edge comb part. I don't use the brush part, really. Now, you need your Gatsu gel. I'm just gonna put a tiny little bit. It doesn't need too much. So this basically just holds the edges, because as you can see, my hair is kinky. But putting this gel on, especially living in Florida, you won't sweat out your edges. Because edge control alone never does it for me, but this will hold it. So I'm just putting it on my edges and like carrying it out and smoothing it down. And last but certainly not least, they puff. I don't put the little combs in my hair so not to, you know, damage my hair, but I kind of find which way that I think it's gonna look the best with, like, see, like this way will kind of be like lopsided. I kind of put it like horizontally, so the combs would be on the side, but I don't use the combs, and I just stick her on just like that, and I just take the drawstring and make sure it's secured tightly.
Damn, Jacob, this shit crack.
And then I wrap the drawstring around. And boom, there you go. You can put a pin in it if you want to, but it really isn't that deep. After that, you can just go ahead and take your white tooth comb and just like comb it out. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. That's all for today, folks. Make sure that you like, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know what you want more of.